me something about your strength and weaknesses.
Weakness is I speak every time I speak true, and because of that, I losses happen sometimes. So that is my weakness, which is actually good. But in this current situation, it is uh, favorable to the other people. So it is my weakness. Uh, Actually, I am very lazy, sir. I wake up at late, means normal time, 7 or 8 o'clock in the
You
morning.
don't do
So
exercise.
it is, sorry, sir.
You don't do exercise.
No, sir. Nowadays, I cannot do exercise because currently I have a very busy schedule. Actually, I am doing this class also, work also I have to attend 8 hours, and also I have took the admission of MBA in Wellinger Institute of the Dadar.
Okay.
So
Which system or stream?
in import export, sir.
Import export. MBA in export. Is
Yeah.
there marketing?
Marketing subject also there, and this global supply chain management and internet marketing also. So there are various subjects, sir.
Actually, I was searching for one of my
It's,
friend for MBA marketing in Wellinger Institute.
yeah, Wellinger is the best college to take admission in external, who is
You go,
yeah.
do you go
Sorry,
physically?
sir. No, sir. No need to go there.
Then
I am attending. They have provided the all the material on the one portal, so we can I can log in that portal and study material also there. And if you want to attend the class also, there virtual class also there. So, but it is a schedule as per their schedule. We cannot attend that. But if we have time, we can attend. But it is I cannot able to attend that because my working time is same as not suitable time.
is there physical lectures also?
Yeah. Is there physical lecture also? They
Okay.
can attend. Student can attend physical lecture also.
Okay.
Virtual also. They have provided many facilities.
So what are the periods and all days?
Every day, sir. Every day. Actually, they have provided the recorded videos on each chapter, on each subject.
So
We can see on the list. So it is we can attend that also.
part
No
time.
need to go there. Sorry, part time, sir.
Okay.
Part time, part time.
Okay.
Part time. Even we cannot go there. But you have to fill form on the website first and pay the fees.
Okay. Understood. Understood. I have seen that recently, but having so little bit of doubt about whether we need to go there or not.
Actually, actually no need to go. But if someone want to do MBA and he don't have time, then only it is good to take admission or it is complete the MBA with the Wellinger Institute.
And why do you choose? Why did you choose
Hello,
import and export?
sir.
Why did you choose import and export?
Because my line is import export. Now I working last 30 years almost
Oh,
in import export business. Sorry.
As a designation?
Actually, currently I am working with the UPS, one of the leading international company, MNC company, like a DHL. So
Mhm.
I am a border clearance officer in that.
What is that border clearance officer?
Border clearance, that means if someone sent product from the US to
Hmm.
India, so I am doing that. That product is met with our Indian compliances. So it is means some items are restricted, some items are prohibited, and many items are freely. So I have to check that particular product is means can freely importable into India. And and also I'm doing the category of duty structure, custom duty structure. And after completing that process, that means I am just auditing that invoices and product. So after that, when I complete that my signature on there, so I complete that. Then when the flight is coming on the airport, so then that data will produce at the same time of the flight landed to the custom officer. Then he will check the package and invoices. All the duties is leviable, is correct. He check and he's approved that bill, means bill of entry. We call it bill of entry. And then he approve. After approving, we will they are checking that the same product they presented in the system, means that they means document is as per the document the product are same or not. Sometimes what is happening, the invoice is showing some item, and at the time of product examination there are another officer is there. So he checking as per the invoice customer declare the correct product or not. Sometimes what happen, the toy is declared, but there some contraband item is there in the package. So that is a very important thing. So it is a liability to our company also. So we have to take care all the invoices and all the product and duty structure. So this is my work. I'm just doing audit of that product.
And, what I experienced from one of my students, he's also in export import, but he's doing marketing. He go to the various couriers and he tell them that please give us orders of import and export, so that we give some incentives to you. So he's doing that kind
Right,
of marketing and he's earning a lot. But I think it's a difficult job, marketing in export and import.
right. Actually, we have also that the development and sales team differently. They are also sitting in my nearby me. So they are doing their job. I am doing my job. I am last 25 30 years. I am doing I am in the operation actually.
Okay.
I actually before 7 to 8 years, I was visiting to Navasheva and Mumbai Port Trust and Mumbai Airport, and
Mhm.
physically I have did the examination of the product. I regularly I met with the custom officer if there is any file pending with the custom officer. Sometimes it is critical. I actually before 10 years there is a one officer. There was one officer, and he is not allowing to take the delivery of my product.
Mhm.
Then my boss asked me to go and meet the officer and explain him whatever he want. So my customer was actually we are the agent actually. We are not direct importer or exporter. We are the agent of the custom clearance. So my customer was the Mahindra and Mahindra. So they imported one module of the cars from the Japan. But that time that product was not officer was not allowing. So I visit there and study the file, and I explained to the that officer that actually toy was not allowed that time there are dyes and all that things. Na? So because of dyes is harmful to the children. So that time it was restricted. So I explained to the custom officer that the products are is not the importer Mahindra and Mahindra is not importing toys. That is not their business. So they are imported that model that they are making here into India. It is not toy and it is not for the mean for the means children's use. So I explained to them, and he accepted my request and uh, give us allowed to the clearance. So I cleared that shipment, which was pending since two months. It is very important that 2 months there are you know that the airport authority charges is very high per kg. It's 60 70 rupees per kg per day.
Right, right. And
So
I heard about
that time.
convincing to the officers is really difficult because they want
It
something
is very important.
below the table. You will have to give something. This
That time it was before 2000. I was there for this, but after the 2000, I'm not interested in that.
okay. But the office.
Because that time it is compulsory to do. It means everybody is doing that before 2000. But after that time it was a manual. It is the bill was in the typewriter.
Oh,
So
okay.
that time all the procedures are manual, handwritten and all that things. So no, there is no computer. But after 2000, the computer is came in all over the government departments. Na? So then it is really with the submission also in the from the computer. So it is transparency that after the 2000. So then it is automatically reduced day by day. That bribe is nowadays also, but some in government department currently they are doing somewhere. This is very corruption is, and nepotism and corruption we cannot remove never, sir, in India.
But
Somehow
technology played an important role to reduce the corruption. What do you think?
yeah, it is very important because nowadays why Modi did important in this now. When the product came into India, landed into India, within 48 hours it should be come out from the port. It is mandatory. Who is stopping that clearance? He's the responsible for the delay charges and all that things. But if there is a genuine reason for hold, it is acceptable. It can be acceptable. So that time officer was stopping all the things for the money. But it is now they cannot stop. I mean, nowadays.
That's
So it
great.
is very big revolution from the 2000.
Right.
After 20 years.
Thank you very much for
Thank you.
having a conversation on this topic because it is really interesting topic for me also because one of my best friend and student also from the same field and he tells me everything about this.
That's it. Thank you, sir.